Hi guys, so today my friend will be showing us how to sew t-shirts. So make sure to like, make sure to comment, and make sure to subscribe if you've not. Also make sure to share this video. Thank you. So first, as you can see, he has already cut down every part of the clothes: the back, the chest, the front, the pockets, the collar, and everything. So he's starting by joining the shoulders together. Okay, so I'm not a tailor, so I don't really know much about tailoring. So if there is any mistake anywhere, please correct me in the comment section. And again, if you have any question, please drop it in the comment section, and I assure you your answer is going to come right in. So yes, this is him joining the shoulders together, and after joining the shoulders together, he's going to, as you can see, sew the inside again also. So don't forget to sew the inside after joining the hand together. So make sure to watch his step by step sewing. That was why I uploaded everything actually, so you would see it step by step. So after joining the shoulders together, now he's putting the pockets. So as you can see, he has already cut and ironed the pockets down. So yeah, everything they do it with measurement. So they've measured the length of where the pocket is going to be, they've measured the size of the pocket and everything. So now you can see he's sewing the pockets to the chest of the clothes. So he has already cut the pockets down. Maybe next time I'll video how to cut pockets. But I guess it should be simple. Though I'm not a tailor, but I should be able to sew this. Anyways, so this is him joining the pocket to the shirt. So you don't have to sew everything round because it's a pocket. So you just have to sew it like you. And that's all for the pocket. So now, as you can see, he's already prepping the hand. So yeah, first we joined the shoulders together, then next we added the pockets to the front. Then now we're prepping the hand. So I guess it is the hand that is actually going next. So this is the hand. Is adding the design, the white parts to the shirt. So yeah, he's going to sew them together. So just watch how he's going to sew them. He's going to sew this place first, then he's going to fold it to sew it. So that place is actually very thick in the shirt. So yes, this is the hand he's actually prepping to add to the shirt. So make sure to take the measurement of the person's hand and make sure to cut and sew well, so it won't be too tight or too free depending on what the person wants to do. So everything, like I said, everything will be done with measurement. So now, as you can see again, is adding the hand to the joint cloth. He's adding the hand to the cloth already. So yep, you're going to sew the hand to the clothes. So first you join the shoulder, second the pocket, then third the hand. Make sure you're taking note, or make sure you're taking notes. So yeah, this is him sewing the hand together with the clothes. So after adding the hand to the clothes, you're going to close the hand, like yeah, the armpit part, the armpit place. You're going to, I don't know what you guys call that side, but this is what he is doing right now. So you're going to sew this place also. Then you sew it down to the shirt. Since you've added the hand now, that place can actually be closed. So you just sew the shirts together, and you know that now it's remaining just the collar and then folding of the down part. So that is it. So you just close this part, you close the other part. So let's know the cloth is halfway done. So now this is him trying to measure the collar, so trying to measure the neck so he doesn't put the collar the wrong way. So yeah, I keep saying it, everything is done with measurement. So the next thing we're going to do now will be adding the collar to the shirt. So we've done the joining first, then we added pockets, then we added the hands, then we closed the sides. So now this is the collar. We're adding the collar to the neck of the shirt. So yes, you have to draw down your collar, you have to draw it. So you draw the exact what's it called, shape you want, so you can cut accordingly and don't make mistakes while cutting. So for you to be a tailor or a fashion designer, you still also have to know how to draw, because most times you have to draw. Yeah, I remember when my late mom used to sew, then there was always shock in the house because she uses chalk to draw on clothes. So you have to know how to draw and also know how to cut. So yes, this is him prepping the collar now for sewing. So he's just going to draw it, and then he's going to cut it out, and then he's going to sew it round to cover the mouths, and then he's going to add it to the shirt. So just wash and learn. So yeah, please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Thank you. So I think I posted a video. Yeah, I posted a video of how to make collar on my channel. So if you're not really getting it here, this part, you can just check for it on my channel, how to make collar. So you just check for it for t-shirts. So yeah, he's done what's it called, drawing. So now he's sewing the parts he drew. He's sewing the parts he drew so he can cut the unwanted parts out. So wash and learn. So yeah, after cutting it, you have to like arrange it well. So he's just going to turn it, turn the back to the front, and make sure everything is straightened and it is well arranged. So now he's going to add the collar to the shirt. And now, after adding the collar to the shirt, guess what? The shirt is complete. So yep, I hope you saw everything step by step, what to do first, what to do next, and what to do last. So yeah, the color adding is actually the last part before you now start sewing the down part and every other part that has rope, to prevent rope from coming out of your shirt or to prevent rope from littering around your shirt. So make sure to follow our step by step way on how to make t-shirts. So now he's just going to add the collar to the neck. So this is him adding the collar to the neck. So be careful to see how he's going to add the collar to the neck. I think okay, so he sewed the outer part of the collar to the shirt first before now sewing the collar fully to the shirt. So watch and learn. Like, this is me giving you a closer view of it. So watch and learn. And also, this is not just for the video. We actually sew for a living, no. So don't take our work outside, though. Please bring your clothes, patronize us. Come and patronize my friends. I have friends that sew any type of clothes you want, ladies clothes, guys clothes, wedding gowns, suits, cut and join, beach wear, any type of clothes you want to wear, bring it. I have friends that sews very well. So this is just a video of how to sew t-shirts. I think I've done, yeah, this is a video of how to sew t-shirts, and I've done a video of how to sew joggers, yeah, on my channel. So very soon I'm going to do a video of how to sew a gown, a nice dress, then how to sew beach wear, and maybe just maybe how to sew wedding dress also with time, sha. So please don't take our work outside, patronize us. We are affordable and we do our job well. We know how to sew very well. So please come and patronize us. So as you can see, he has added the collar to the shirt, and I hope you saw how he did that. So now he's just going to be sewing the edges to make sure the what's it called, t-shirt is well sewn. So he's going to cover up all the edges. Then after that, make sure to cut out all your threads, all the unnecessary threads. Make sure to cut the threads out so they don't just start flying around like it's not a professional that sewed the clothes. So still don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you've not. Thank you. If you are a new viewer, thank you for opening our video. If you're an old viewer, thank you for actually coming back to check out our video. We love and appreciate you all, and we hope to see you on our next video and all of our videos. So as you can see, that is that for t-shirts, and as you can see, everything is already complete. So yeah, he's just going to sew the down part, and then he's going to trim the whole thread out, and then he's going to iron the clothes, and our t-shirt is ready. So please take a look at this. Isn't this fine? Isn't this giving? It's not even yet iron though, and it's this fine. So patronize us. Thank you.